So, first topic is direction. Do you guys ever learn this topic? Of course, yes, right? Before this.
Yes.
So, how we want to determine the direction? Of course, you guys know, right? From higher time frame. Higher time frame. Wait. Mm, direction. From higher time frame, which is day, weekly, and monthly. Okay. And then, so how you want to marking the higher time frame in this three level? Of course, we use the line chart. And candlestick. Okay, later I teach you how to marking it. Okay. So the rule of SNR, let me teach you the basic first. So for example, resistance and support, right? Of course, the resistance will find the support. Support will find the resistance, right? Resistance will go to support. Support will go to resistance. So this is the rules of SNR. Okay, in our trading life. Okay, so basically, if you change the resistance and support me, if I go into deep, for example, I use weekly support, weekly resistance, and then weekly support. Weekly resistance must find weekly support. Weekly support must find weekly resistance. Weekly resistance must find weekly support. This is rule of SNR that you must know. The storyline from time frame to time frame. Weekly must going to the weekly. Daily must going to the daily time frame. Monthly must going to monthly time frame. That's what you need to learn, okay, in this direction, okay. But so I draw first, but we need to find the breakout in higher time frame, which is, for example, breakout, support. So where's the trend want to go, at the breakout, support, or resistance? So it's up to the market first, because we want to know the respect or not, which level is respect, which means, okay, closing. Closing mean open new candle. Open new candle. Closing open new candle. So which means if weekly, must waiting for next week candle for the closing. So what I mean is, so for example, I draw this first. Okay, when trend is coming, uptrend, so we must waiting for the closing here. Closing candle on weekly to know the direction has changed. Okay, and then this support also, we're waiting for the closing. If there is no closing, it will break. Okay, it will break on the directly to another new support. For example, new support weekly. Okay, right? So the storyline is daily must go to daily. Weekly must go to weekly. Weekly to weekly. Monthly to monthly, which means resistance, support. Okay, this one you must need to know. Okay, right? Hello? Hear me?
Yes, sir. Listening.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. And then, if me, I will know if this kind of pattern in weekly or daily or monthly. I will find the breakup first. Sorry. I will find the breakup first. Okay. Not this one. This one is no breakout. This one is not breakout. No breakout. This one has breakout. So I will choose this one and waiting for the trend coming to my zone. The price coming to my zone. Okay. And waiting for the closing. You get what I mean? You get what I mean, bro? Okay.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So what I mean is the example of storyline. So for example, I use weekly again, and I use weekly support and resistance. And here's got daily. So for example, weekly must go into weekly, right? The main direction. But daily has closing and valid. Closing and valid. After the closing, daily must go into daily because every time frame must finish their own storyline. Daily to daily resistance to daily support to daily resistance. So it keep repeating until it break down to the weekly support. But in this case, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, for example, you must trust the direction only for downtrend and want to finish the weekly storyline. Are you listening?
Yes.
Okay. So this is the rule of SNR. Each of time frame must finish their own time frame. Okay. Don't look for the H4 first. Don't look for the H1 first. Don't look for the M30 first, M15, and so on. Okay. First thing you must identify first. Daily, weekly, and monthly. Don't just look for daily. Must look at least weekly. Don't lazy. Don't want to look time frame weekly. Okay. Don't just look daily. If you just look daily, so bye bye. Okay. You didn't learn something. You don't want to learn the direction. If you don't want to look at weekly or monthly, at least you identify the direction marking zone at weekly first. Okay. Do you understand what I mean?
Yes. Clear.
Yes.
Every time I teach my previous student about the weekly, at least you see weekly. At least you identify in weekly first. But they don't want to hear my advice. So they looking at daily, only daily, only daily, only daily. Then at last, they don't understand what they learn. And then ask me, why this zone is breakout? They didn't check the daily, weekly or monthly. So that's not market problem. That's his problem. Okay. Right. Okay. Okay. What time is Philippines now, Nathan?
Uh, 12:43. Oh, same.
Eh, oh, same. Oh,
Yes.
Philippines and Malaysia same. Oh, 43, right? 12:43, right?
Yes.
Oh, okay. In Europe, what time? And London. Same, right?
No, London is 4:44 p.m. It's 8 hours behind.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
afternoon over here.
Okay. Okay, so okay, we continue. So if you see the current market right now, this is daily level. So I mark weekly. So right now, weekly must going to the weekly, right?
Yes.
Here the first weekly. Weekly must going finish to the weekly resistance must finish the weekly support to the weekly support. That's why the price still downtrend. Okay. And then when you look at this candle, okay, and then you go into the daily. Here's the daily closing. And this area is H4 zone, so no need to look first. Don't need to look the H4 because the H4 will make you feel confused to look for storylines. So we must look for the daily only. The big picture make us all clear to understand the storylines. Okay, and then if you see this daily breakout, if this breakout, that's mean here is when daily is breakout, that's mean it will continue, the price will continue downtrend, right? Hello? And same goes to this one. Breakout. And same go to this one. Breakout. Okay?
Yes.
So if you see this one is breakout, so that's mean there is no breakout for buyer, right? As you can see. True, right? There is no breakout for buyer, right?
Mm.
That's how we want to know. How we want to know it will continue, the price will continue downtrend. And then this first step, okay, this is the first step first. Second step, you will look at the H4 and H1. Okay. Now, I want to expand about the H4 and H1. H4 first. So you go to H4. Okay. We precise it to the breakout. Okay. This is the hint. What we call is the weakness price. Okay. Let me draw for you. Do you ever familiar with this kind of pattern, price action?
Head and shoulder. Oh, no.
Where? Aduh. Bro. And then break. Mm, break. For example, this one is breakout buy, then it's break, and then it's turned to, okay, what we call this pattern. What we call, do you know the answer? Let
Logic.
me know the answer from you guys.
The logic.
What?
The logic. So like, the way price approaches the level.
Oh, I think it's for your terms, but for my terms it's the weakness price.
Okay.
Weakness price for our entry. Weakness price. If it's strong price, how we want to determine? Break. Break. This one we call strong momentum.
Okay.
Momentum. Oh, that's why my topic is got momentum. Now we talk about the momentum. Momentum. Momentum strong. Weak momentum. Weak momentum. Weak momentum. Weak momentum. So for example, you see H4, right? H4. Last time, I know there is the goal will be a strong momentum will be going to price will going to downtrend with strong momentum because of this the weak price go to this zone. Okay, after you see this price go directly go to our zone, you can entry here. But first thing first, the zone must be right. The zone must be higher time frame, which is daily first, right? And then I precise it. And then I go to H4 breakout. And then price break with strong momentum. Then price going up with weakness. Okay, so this means I will entry here. And then the secondly, it's break again. When it's break again, okay, we go to H1 to make it clear. Did you see the price with weak? Weak, right?
Yes.
Entry. Okay. Secondly, I will show you again. Wait. H4 breakout. Go to H1.
So where do you look when putting that line?
Which one?
The
The breakout H4 first.
Okay.
Okay, wait. I put line chart. You see the breakout?
Yes.
And then I process it. Of course, there's a trail line here. Okay, this is one of the momentum, and then this one also one of the momentum. The weak momentum. Wait, Okay, I open the line chart first. I scared you guys confused. You see, right? The breakout, right?
Yes.
Someone will say it's compression. Someone will say it's sideways. It's up to us which is comfortable, the term we use. See? And also this one. Okay. Same goes to this one, bro. Wait, huh?
Oh, it's the same.
See?
Hmm.
Okay, I open the line chart to make it more clear. See? It's same, right?
Yes.
It's not the price will react. We want to see the price react actually. For example, after we know the direction from the weekly, the price will going down, right? And then when you go to H4 or H1, the price will react, breakout, breakout, and then price will slowly going up. It will slowly, or like this. Or like this. You get what I mean?
Yes.
Okay. Right?
Is that all chart pattern we're gonna look at?
It's up to you, but you can call chart pattern, you can call it compression, you can call it sideways. So example also like this. Time frame weekly cut. Okay. Slowly, boom. Same also. This one also same. See? Sideways, right? Breakout, sideways, and 3.
Mm.
Okay. All right. I give you more example. This one I got expert or not? This one was so nice. See? Breakout, sideways, and 3. One thing first, we must look for the high time frame first before we want to identify this kind of breakout. Okay, right now, current price is on the daily, right? Did you guys think this one got reacted or not react? Already reaction or no reaction? Or price action? No price action, right?
Yes.
No PA. Huh? No confirmation. Confirmation. Okay. No breakout. There's yes. All the term is same, you know. Okay. So what we want to look is price reaction. Zone buyer. Zone buyer. Sorry. Zone buy. We're waiting for breakout buy. Zone buy. Reaction. Breakout buy. How we want to identify? Either this one. And then, for example, this one is breakout. You can be your security if the price is weak like this. And this one. You understand?
Yes. We'll wait for the weakness of the price.
Yes, bro. For the weakness of the price. Wait. Okay.
Is that all of
It's not easy,
your
but-
setup when going buy or sell?
What is my setup?
No, I mean that's all you look when you're looking for buy or sell.
Okay. For me, I looking buy or sell. I will focus on my high time frame first. So this one is seller for the seller, right? And then I want to find the buyer weekly to weekly. Okay. Why I didn't choose this one? Did the zone is closing or break? Closing or break? Closing in this line or break this line?
It's break.
Break.
Yes, it's break, then it's not valid.
Yeah, not like that. Then you look for your next level.
Yes, then you go to next level. True. And then I waiting for the next zone weekly. But thing is, I will focus the current zone first, which is daily. And then after I mark daily, I go to H4. Okay. After I go to H4, I process again and go to the breakout. After I go to the breakout, and I waiting the price in H4 zone, which means this H4 zone is daily zone. You get what I mean? You get what I mean? When I process it to H4, but the zone is still daily. Okay. After it come into our zone, and we waiting for the breakout for sell or breakout for
Buy.
buyer. Okay. And then, as you can see, the daily, okay, as you can see, what daily reaction right now? What is daily reaction daily right now?
Sells.
Yes, sell. But what is the reaction, the hint of direction?
Oh, the closing price.
No. That one is not my answer.
Breakout.
There is no breakout buy.
Yeah.
I mean this one, not this one. This one is breakout buy, yes. But the thing is, when it came into our zone, there is some. Is it there is a react before it came to our zone?
No, no momentum.
No react. Sure. So what's the point this one?
Yeah.
But this one is not for entry because this is from higher time frame. It's give us hint to going to uptrend.
Yeah.
So that's why I need you guys to monitor this reaction, not today and not this time. It can be next week, it can be next week, it can be next month. But it's not logic for the next month. I mean, it's maybe next week or next week. At least 2 weeks lah. For my experience. Okay. So you can compare for this one reaction in daily. Boop. Either this one or this one. But must look the reaction first. After it's closing, then go to H4 or H1, looking for the breakout. That's all. It's not easy when you not learn and make effort. And it's easy when you already know. Okay? That's what we call is momentum. Okay? The hint of momentum when we want to buy and when we want to sell. Not every minute, not every hour we want to sell or we want to buy. We must identify first the level we want to sell or buy before we proceed another. Okay? Don't think every time, every minute we want to sell or buy. No. We must see the market, how its reaction, and where identify the zone we want to entry. We want to waiting for our entry. That's how the true and professional trader is. Not every minute we look at the our trading platforms. Okay, not every minute, not every time. At least we see in 4 hour, at least 4 hour, 2 hour. At least it's 1 hour. Okay, you get what I mean, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Because we want to see the reaction first. Okay, we don't want every time we see there's no reaction, there's no reaction. But at least we see another 1 hour, we see again. Another 2 hour, 4 hour, we see the reaction again, how it comes. Okay.
If the price is not yet in the zone, will you look for other pairs to trade or
Just waiting, bro.
just wait?
It will came to our zone, bro. For example, what do you mean is entry?
No, I
Entry?
mean you look for other
This zone.
pairs to trade
No, I don't look for other pairs. I only focus on
gold.
gold only.
Oh, okay.
And please, if you want study the trading, please focus on one pair only.
Gold.
Gold.
Okay, focus one pair only. Don't focus many pair because you will feel confused later. Trust me.
Okay.
And please study current market, which is study this zone in, for example, I going to the weekly, study every zone in this area.
Sir, can you elaborate more how you put the lines? I'm confused. When I'm confused, I
What?
put it in the line chart.
I put it in line chart.
No, I mean, oh, I see.
Okay. So I didn't ask you to look all of this level. I asked you to look at the current market, which the level is the current right now. This one, right? So we must see this one first for the reaction. For the reaction, we want to see the breakout. We only want to see the breakout, right?
Yes.
Nothing more. And
How long you been in trading, sir?
5 years.
5 years.
Yep.
And what year have you been profitable?
Bro, if I'm not profitable, bro,
No, I
I'm not able
mean
to.
for 5 years is the first 2 years your learning phase, and then the third.
Oh, first 2 years and first year and 2 years I didn't profit. I didn't. What I want to describe is I'm still learning. I'm still learning in 1 years and 2 years. This is my honest. This is my honest. In 2 years and 1 year still, because I learned for myself. I don't have any friends and partner to learn together,
Yes.
and I learn
Same.
from my guru, from my master, and I learn for myself, and I research for myself, and I draw for myself what I see, what I saw, the breakout, the weakness price, everything I see, I draw. Everything I see, I write and I draw.
Keep your journal.
This, I do my journal, and I focus on myself. I didn't want to disturb people. Hey, this one is true. This one is wrong, uh, wrong or not. Can you see my can you see my apa? Trading? Can you see my homework? No, I didn't ask my master for. I di- I didn't say that you guys don't need to send to me. I want you guys like send to me because I want to see your progress. Okay.
Okay.
If you guys didn't send to me, how I want to know? If I didn't say, hey guys, give me homework. Don't 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 let me to ask this kind of questions, because this one is our initiative.
Yes.
Okay. Our initiative to know what we want to do. Okay, at least you focus yourself. At least I know the result, what you understanding. Even it's small understand. I want to you guys to focus. I think my experience is more expensive than I give you the price, because I will share my experience, how I learn in my journey, how I learn in my trading.
Yes.
Because if you just focus in your laptop or PC or tablet, you didn't what we call, you didn't understand in everything, because you just see and saw the breakout only. You didn't write, you didn't draw like I do. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Wait.
What's the hardest part in trading?
What the hardest part? Your mindset, and then your patience. You didn't patient in waiting level. You just
How
need to find out where I want to entry.
how do you conquer it?
It's it's long, bro. It's very long to us to learn about the mindset in trading.
So it's more
Serious
on
talk, bro.
experience. Gain more
I think
experience.
it's I think you must MC first, then you learn from that kind of thing. Yeah. It's honest. Yes, because every time you MC, you you will you will know what you mistake.
Yes. Exactly.
Oh, I'm so stupid. You will say like this. I'm so stupid. I'm so stupid. I entry sell, but I so buy. Why I'm so stupid? Sometimes we like this. Sometimes, okay. Sometimes our heart said oh, buyer, but we then we want to entry sell. You saw breakout buy, then when you want entry sell. And then I ask you to look for weekly, then you look for daily. I ask you for the look for daily, then you look for the H4 because you lazy want to look for daily, look the time frame daily. Sometimes people like this. Serious.
Hmm. Yeah.
I'm sometimes my previous student a lot of like this. I ask them to learn to see weekly where's the direction is, but they don't want to see. They want to see daily. When daily come, they want to then they want to enter it, then fail. Because the dailies and the weekly stay on momentum. That's why the daily is break. You must know about this. Don't focus much on daily. You can focus on daily, but please look for the weekly first before you identify in daily.
Okay.
Okay.
How do
Right,
you train your eyes in the chart? You put your level
bro.
first.
Every day I learn, bro. Every day I draw for myself. Every day I see the what I. Every day I update for myself. Every day I update um on my tablet, iPad, PC. Everything I write it on. A lot a lot of I have a lot of hands on. Then looking for the price reaction. When I see the price reaction, I draw it. I draw it, and then I compare it. I compare um I compare valid and not valid. I compare this both. Why valid? Why not valid?
How do you know if the trade or the setup is valid or invalid?
How you want to know the you made the entry of direction.
Yeah, the setup or the uh
Okay. Okay, I want you to see this one. What we call this? If you want to buy, but it's break.
so
What we call it?
the screen. I think you're not
You need to
screen
share it.
sharing.
Eh? Oh, sorry. Oh my god. Okay,
There you are.
so let me so if this one is breakout buy, right? Wait, breakout buy. So you want to buy this area when it came to this momentum. This is what we call is strong momentum. This one is valid. Weak momentum.
Okay.
Okay, how we want to identify? That's why I ask you guys to monitor this zone in H4 or H1 also can. Okay, it might take it long, not very long, maybe 3 days or 4 days. It will become the reaction, or maybe no, maybe it will by next week or next week. You must patiently to learn. Okay, take my advice, bro, because a lot of my previous student is learn from my advice. Okay, and sometimes some others didn't hear my advice. They just want to fastly fast in trading, which means they want to deposit and trade. They don't want to learn. They don't want to
They
learn.
do shortcut.
They want to shortcut. They want to learn a very long.
Shortcut their
Very
journey.
long. Yeah, they didn't have a passion to. They didn't have the uh, take the effort to learn more than the deposit into the real account. They want to make a fast money first. Yes, everyone want to fast money.
Yes.
I also want. But the thing is, my knowledge is not enough. So I need to keep learn first. Because if I want to deposit at IMC, then deposit again at IMC. Better I learn first. Because better I learn from the demo first. And then if I got tuned from my demo
How
account,
how many months do
I will
you
go
trade
to-
in demo, sir?
I think not months, bro. I think
Years?
1 year plus.
Oh,
Because if you feel not confident, you keep on use demo. Because if you use demo, you must feel like that is a real account. Don't depo 10K, 1K, 20K, 100K. Don't. Just depo $50, $10, not
then
$5,
do
sorry.
cent account.
$10, $20.
Cent account.
I never use the Sen account, bro.
Mm.
I never use the Sen account because I rather use my demo than Sen account, because Sen account also can. For me, if you want to learn, it's up to you. It depends on ours, actually,
Yes.
which one is comfortable. Okay. So after you already confident, then you try to deposit small amounts. Okay. And then you try yourself to be disciplined first. And then when you feel the confidence, and then you will get a layer
Layering.
as much as you want. Okay? That's how we learn in our trading. When if you're familiar, it keep repeating in your entry, it keep repeating your what you see and what you saw, then you will be a confident.
Do you discipline yourself like 1 to 2 trades a day or like something like that?
No, it's depend on our it's depend
It's case
our
to case.
zone. It depend our analysis, bro. It's not every time we want to trade. It depend our zone. Let's see, I waiting for the daily here. After I already entry here, or here, okay, this both I will entry, I will hold, and I waiting here. Because I need to keep. If you want to get a TP, it's okay. I will TP here. You entry here, I TP here. Daily to daily, right? Daily to daily. How many pips? 300 pips. 300 pips is okay. Okay.
I think I
You get what I
need
mean?
to train my eyes where to put the line without looking in
Yes.
the line chart. Because
You need to train your eyes, you need to train your hand, you need to train everything, your mindset and everything you want to. Everything is, you must train, bro. Okay?
why do you put that line in 1832.51? Sorry,
Wait, which one?
the 1832.
Or 1832. Breakout, bro.
Okay.
Okay. So here my advice for you guys. Hope you learn very well in trading. So I give you guys to focus in this zone. And I hope soon you guys will give me the result. What happened in this zone. Okay? 10 at 70 and 10 4 at 4. You get what I mean?
Yes.
You understand? Look.
Oh.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
So next week, if you got any result, just send to me. All of you, please send to me, please.
Yes.
Yes. For sure.
Do we have session next week or when will be our
I will
next?
update the session, but if your homework didn't send to me, how I want to proceed the next sessions?
Ah,
Because I don't want you guys feel so and rush in anything want to learn. I
Yeah.
want the result. I want the result what we learned today.
Okay.
Are you okay with that?
Yes, sir.
I want
Yes.
the result before we proceed to the next class. I don't want to next week class. If you guys didn't send the homework and didn't get the result for me, there is no class. I want the result. That's all. At least I understand what your progress is.
Yes. 100%.
All right. Thank you for today.
Thank
Don't forget
thank you, sir.
give the record. All right.
Yes. Whoever set the recording, please send on the group chat.
Yes, brother.
All right. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Let's see you, Brian. See you. Bye. Bye.
All right. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.